Hi guys, so today I want to show you another mask for your face. That ingredients, we need some onion and honey. That you can use onion juice. If you don't have onion juice, you can grind some onion and just mix it with some honey. So let's get started. I want to mix all of these ingredients and put it on my face. So hi again, I just mixed all of the ingredients and I want to put it on my face right now. So here we go. I just washed my fingers, so you can use some makeup brushes if you like, but I wanna put it with my hands, so I can smell onion and honey on my face. So here we go. We should wait for 5 minutes and then I should wash my face. So 5 minutes. Hi again guys, I'm back. So I just washed my face and you can see. So please subscribe my YouTube, and if you have any idea you can comment down under my videos, and if you like this video, so give me a big thumbs up and share with your friends. So see you later guys, bye bye.